YouTube. So today we're going to be doing a short video. We're going to be testing Chrono Connect Chronograph app. Let's see how it works. Be testing again with Optimus CP2. So if we look downrange, you can see I've got a chair set up there. That's where the phone's going to be sitting, and we're going to be shooting. There's the box out at about 10 meters or so. So let's give this a go and see how it goes. Okay, so what I want to show you is how we're going to use this app and how we're going to set it up. So here you can see it's this Chrono Connect. We're going to select it, click OK. So what we're going to do, first thing is we're going to go to settings, the target options. So this is going to show us, we've got units, so we're going to measure it in meters. So muzzle to target, so that's in other words from the pellet gun to the target is 10 meters. Device to muzzle, so that's from your phone to your pellet gun, that we're going to set at 2 meters, and then device to pellet path is going to be 8 meters. So basically device to muzzle and device to pellet path, if you add them together, needs to equal muzzle to target. So I've set the sound sensitivity. If you set it too high, then it picks up a lot of other in-between noises, so we're going to set it down to about halfway. And then projectile options, I'll just be using BSA Blue Star, and I've put in the details there. And then also under speed and power option, that's just telling us our setting. And then this one is quite important. If you're using a spring piston, just select here as strong if it's very high powered and a lot of recoil, then you can put strong. Otherwise you can just put mild. It cancels out a little bit of that piston noise. We're just going to now start measuring. Okay, to start recording, you're basically just going to press the microphone, then we'll be measuring. So let's get measuring. Remember, we'll be shooting now first the BSA, which is about 8.02 grains, so slightly heavier than the pellet we're going to be testing afterwards. Yeah, let's start off. We're going to shoot 3 shots and let's see how we do. First shot, 557. So roundabout right according to the manufacturer's specs for this gun. 557. Second shot, 559. Still looking good. And let's see the third shot. 560 feet per second. So right, so now I've put in the H&N Terminator pellet. Let's quickly change the projectile settings. So we're going to put in here H and N Terminator. Okay, and then the grains on that is 7.25. Right. And then the shape is obviously going to be flat, so we don't have as good a ballistic coefficient. Right, and then the rest we're going to keep the same. So let's then see how this one measures out. Once again, I'm just going to first exit the app completely and then start again. Let's go Chrono Connect. Okay, all our settings will still be there. Out to 2 meters again. This is now the H&N Terminator. Let's see these 3 shots. First shot, 607 feet per second. Second shot, 596 feet per second. It's to be expected. bit lighter pellet. Third shot 600 feet per second. Alright, so clearly there you could see slightly lighter pellet, got a little bit more feet per second. So it seems to me like it's a fairly accurate app. I wouldn't say it's 100% accurate, but definitely you can use it as a baseline.